Need some quick cash? Hi. Today I'll show you how to get a loan on Google Pay in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone. Make sure it's updated, scroll to Money section, and tap Loans. You'll see loan offers if you're eligible, and Google Pay partners with lenders to make this happen. Next, head to the Offers tab. Here you'll find pre-approved loan options. Pick one that fits your needs. Check the amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Tap it to get started. Now, fill in some basic info like your job details and hit continue. You'll get an OTP via SMS. Enter it, then submit. You might need to upload some KYC documents like ID or bank details depending on the lender. Review the terms, tap accept, and submit again. After submitting, wait for approval. It's usually fast. Check the Loans Hub for updates. In progress, pre-approved, or not eligible. Once approved, the money hits your linked bank account. That's it, guys. Super simple, right? Just keep enough funds in your account for auto-debited EMIs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.